So we can say that diffusion is the movement of particles from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration, On the left-hand side of the membrane, there are 10 oxygen particles represented here. So what happens is that these oxygen particles are going to diffuse from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration through the partially permeable membrane. Osmosis is the movement of water. It is the movement of water. It's really important to remember. From an area of high concentration to low concentration. So from high to low concentration through a partially permeable membrane. Partially permeable means some things can go through it. So as you can see here, some molecules are small enough to go through the membrane, but some molecules are too big to go through the membrane. So these small molecules can go through, but the big ones can't. So it's a partially permeable membrane.